Hello everyone and welcome back to another one of my videos. My name is Kate. If you are new here, if you are not new, welcome back. Thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. Today is currently Friday, October 15th. It's almost 8 o'clock in the morning. This is going to be a little weekend vlog. I really do like vlogging so much better than like sit down videos and stuff. I just posted a fall try on haul. If you haven't seen that yet, you can click right here on the screen. Yeah, I just feel like I love vlogging so much better and I feel like I thrive when I'm vlogging. I don't know. I just did a little workout. I actually did a bar class with Ally Love on the Peloton app, and I think I've only done like one bar class before, and it was actually really fun. I wasn't in the mood to do like a strength workout today, like legit at all. And Friday I usually do like a full body strength, so instead I just did a full body bar class, which was really fun. It was like something different. I already had some breakfast, but I think what I'm gonna do now is actually make a chai. I know, like, who am I? Last weekend I tried chai from Starbucks for the first time ever. Actually, no, I think I've had it before, like years ago. Like, I tried a sip of it and I didn't really like it, but I kind of did. But I ordered one from Starbucks last weekend and I'm obsessed. I actually went to Target yesterday and I picked up some chai. Actually, I'm just gonna show you because I think I'm gonna make one right now because I'm like in the mood for it. This is what I got from Target. I got the Tazo or Tazo, I don't know how to say it. This is the skinny chai latte. I just decided to pick this up because I want it iced. I like it cold. I'm not really a hot drink type of person. And then I also got the caramel nut pods to make like a little foamy situation on the top, and I'm also gonna put some almond milk in it. Oh, and I'm making a mess. I just made such a mess. Like, is this enough? I don't know. I'm like so confused. I've never done this before. Why is this so messy? Like, why can I not pour this? Ooh, I'm so excited. I literally feel like I'm drinking a coffee right now. This is exciting for me. Okay, I'm gonna get a straw. I think I want to do like a little foam on the top though. So I think I'm going to add nut pods, froth it up a little bit with a milk frother, and then maybe put like a little bit of Cool Whip in it because I want it to be thick, you know, and I feel like the milk frother, like the handheld ones, don't really do it justice. So stay tuned. Okay, I definitely did such a horrible job with the foam. I feel like, I don't know. Actually, no, I feel like it's sitting there pretty well. I don't know. I'm excited. Okay, ready? Ew, wait. I don't like it. It's not sweet enough like the Starbucks one. Ew, I don't like it. I don't like it. Oh my gosh, I'm like really sad. This is such a waste. It's so pretty too. What do I do? Ew, yeah, I don't like that. Okay, definitely not Starbucks material. That's definitely gross. Okay, that was a fail. I'm probably going to take a shower, light some candles. I got some new candles from Target that I'm excited about. So I got this one. It's called Vetiver and Cedarwood, I think is how you say it. It looks like this. And then I also got this one. This one is my favorite. It's called Sugared Cinnamon. Looks like this, just like a little tin candle. It smells so good. But I'm probably going to take a shower and get ready for the day because I need to get a move on. But I'll talk to you guys later. I'm so excited. Okay, so I just got some new Abercrombie jeans in the mail. If you watched my fall try on haul, I actually exchanged a few pieces because they didn't fit me right. So I actually had a pair of the blue version of these with the ripped holes going on, but I actually exchanged them for just a plain black jean and I'm actually obsessed. They fit so good. I'm so happy I got these because I don't have a pair of just like plain black jeans, so I'm actually really stoked about these. They fit really well, they look really good, so I will link these down below because these jeans are just my holy grail. But yeah, I just wanted to show you my new jeans. So I got these exchanged because the other ones just didn't fit me right and they didn't even even have my size to exchange them for, so I just got the black ones. Super obsessed. They're so comfy, stretchy. I can like move in them very comfortably, so I will link them down below for you. Saturday. We're actually on our way to the Cape because one of Zach's dogs isn't doing too good. Is she like okay?
Yeah, I think she's fine. I think she has, it's called vestibular disease, and I think it's just, she just needs medication.
So we're gonna go see her, and then we're going to lunch slash brunch, I guess, with his brothers and his mom. And we went to Starbucks this morning. One of my goals for October was to try new things, and now I'm obsessed with chai. So I get tall iced chai with stevia, almond milk,
2 stevias.
2 stevias, and pumpkin cold foam, and it's so good.
I get a cold brew.
We know.
You just need to remind them. In case anyone wants to give me a Starbucks gift card. Morning, guys. It is Sunday morning. Actually, no, it's not even the morning anymore. I think it's like 1 o'clock. But anyways, it is Sunday. Me and Zach went to breakfast this morning. We went to the Friendly Toast. If you live in New England or you're ever around in the area in New England, you definitely should go there for breakfast sometime because they are so good. I was craving their chocolate chip pancakes because their chocolate chip pancakes are so good. They literally taste like a cookie. And so that's what I got for breakfast. I think Zach got like an omelet or something, but I love the Friendly Toast, and it gets like so busy at like 10 o'clock. So we went a little bit early. It was like 9 o'clock. There was like no wait, so I was super excited about that. I love their chocolate chip pancakes. They're so good. I just took a shower. I love taking like midday showers, especially on like a Sunday. I just feel so fresh and so clean. I actually switched my shampoo. I've been recently using the Olaplex shampoo and conditioner, and I love the shampoo and conditioner so much. Oh my goodness, like it's kind of expensive, but the shampoo like lathers so much, and my hair is super thick if you couldn't tell, and if you follow me on Instagram and whatever, my hair is like super thick and curly, and I go through shampoo and conditioner like no other, and so I'm so happy that it lathers. Like I literally use the smallest amount and it lathers so well, so I've been loving that. Yeah, today's just kind of like a lazy day. I actually have my bedding in the washer right now. I think I have to switch it over like now, but yeah, just a very chill Sunday. It's like cold out. I'm like in an all black little sweatsuit right now. It's like super cold. I have like my windows open just a little bit to let some air in here, but yeah, just a super chill Sunday. I've just been planning my week a little bit and doing laundry. What else? Like cleaning, boring stuff. I feel like this vlog isn't gonna be that long. We didn't really do anything this weekend. I didn't really do anything. I'm just burning this new candle. I think this is from Home Goods. It's called Diamond Graphite. It smells super yummy. Lazy Sunday, not much going on. I'm super excited for next weekend though, because me and Zach are going to New York, which I'm so excited about. I think the last time we went to New York was in 2020, I believe. I think it was in the beginning of 2020 because we were there for Zach's birthday. So it was like January 2020. That's so weird, like right when COVID was like starting. That is so weird. But we're actually staying in New York Friday through Monday, so I'm super excited about that. I cannot wait. I'm gonna do like a little weekend in New York type of vlog. Oh, I forgot to tell you about yesterday. Yesterday, I told you that we were on our way to the Cape because we were going to see Zach's dog, and then we went to lunch with his brothers. We went to Pain d'Avignon, I think it's called. We've been there a couple times. It's like really good. It's like a pretty popular place down the Cape. It's in Hyannis, I'm pretty sure. So we went there for lunch, and then
we went to his house to see his dog. I think she's fine. His mom said she has like doggy vertigo, so they put her on this medicine, but I think she's going to be fine. She's like so cute. Her name's Pearl. So we did that, and then we also got dinner with one of his brothers. I didn't vlog like anything because I didn't want to be like annoying and like whip out my camera and be like, hey guys, or like vlog anything. So it was nice to go down to the Cape and see his family. I didn't vlog like anything yesterday. I just showed you that we went to Starbucks and then we were driving to the Cape. So that's what went on yesterday, but today's just like a boring, not even boring. I love Sundays, to be honest. I love like cleaning my bed. I do that every Sunday. I clean my sheets, I dust a little bit, get ready for the new week, plan a little bit. I think I'm going to do a little bit of journaling. I haven't been on social media in like a few days. I think it's only been like 2 days. I sound so dramatic, but I feel so refreshed. Like I forget like how not going on social media seriously affects my mood so much. It's just so nice not to just look at what everybody else is doing and just like focus on me and what I'm doing and just like enjoying my weekend without being on social media. It's like so nice. I already feel like so refreshed for the new week to produce content and stuff like that, but I feel like it's so important to take social media breaks like every now and then. I feel so good right now. So I'm gonna do a little bit of journaling and just journal my thoughts and feelings and everything like that. I got this from Target, super cute. It just says Imagine on it. I'm just feeling so inspired and like motivated right now, so I'm just gonna do a little bit of journaling. But yeah, I highly recommend taking a little break from social media, even if it's for like a few hours or just like one day. You will notice a big difference in your mood. Seriously, even a day makes like all the difference in the world. So that is my advice to you. Just take some time away from social media, focus on you, focus on being present. So I'm editing this video right now and thought I would do a little outro. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I feel like this vlog was kind of boring, honestly, in my opinion, but I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.